Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry I haven't posted in a good while. I've been so busy and now it's starting to get hot down here in Houston. And I'm really not wanting to do this either, but I got a good one today, so I thought I'd share. I typically do stories on YouTube, just some quick, you know, videos of the installs. But let's do a shameless plug real quick. This is All Out Off Road, the company I work for. This is my company vehicle. As you see, we do a bunch of custom stuff. I handle the leather interior part and been here going on 10 years in November, right now in 2025. And I love it. I mean, these guys, they do everything from your typical lifts, wheels and tires, if you need accessories, bed covers, your, what is it, BMW hitches, all that fun stuff, your ranch hand bumpers. They do everything. So if you're in the Houston area, definitely come check out one of our 4 stores. We do have stores in Dallas and in the Phoenix area for your truck and body, which would be like your custom beds for your fleet, work truck, stuff like that. Anyway, now that we got that out the way, come take a look at this 2025 Toyota 4Runner that I just finished up. I don't really want you to see the interior just yet, but you will in a second. I really do like the look of the front end. I'm not a fan of the extra spoiler down here for aero, but like I said, I don't want you to see inside just yet. Yeah, take a look at the back. It's really got to grow on me. I'm not I'm not a big fan of the taillights. It's kind of but other than that, I do like it. I do like this like wide hip looking angle of the vehicle. I do like that. All right, here's the fun stuff. Oh yeah. Now I already know some people are gonna be like, "What the hell is that?" Yeah, this is a custom color. Obviously, I believe it's called Autumn. This is one of Katzkin's colors, as you see here. There's a Katzkin tag there. Of course, if you don't like the tag, you can always tell your installer to remove it, and that can be done as well. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the quality of the kit. I mean, you see it fits very, very well. This is my first 2025. I've done a ton of the Land Cruisers, the 1958s, the base models. We've done lift, wheels, and tires, interior packages on them. They come out fairly well. I like them. Here's take a look at the back. They do make a model with and without the armrest. This one obviously has the armrest. And the seats do recline a little bit. They kind of, tilt a little bit right here. But what I don't really like about it, honestly, is they're starting to thin out these seats. I mean, look at that. That's like you can. I think the cushion stops right here. All this is from here on down is all plastic. So just keep that in mind. I mean, once you press on it a little hard, you can kind of feel how thin they are. Now I do have a '07 at home. It's actually my wife's '07 4Runner. It's SR5 four-wheel drive, and she will not let that thing go. It's got 142,000 miles on it, I believe. And I was sending her videos and pics of this one, and she's like, "No, I don't like that. I mean, that's hard plastic all up top. You got a little soft touch here. That's the only spot, but everything else is plastic, man. I mean, you got to understand for high 40s, low 50s, what these are going for. I mean, is that really worth it? I don't know yet. It's all preference. Let's take a look at the dash on the startup on it. I know a lot of people haven't seen the 25s yet in person because they're just rolling out now. But this one's got 572 miles on it. Well, sorry about that. Turn that down. I mean, yeah, it's all right. I guess that's the best way I can explain it. It's not my favorite yet. Obviously, I'm gonna wait for to check out a premium model. The one with the big screen. But as far as this one goes, I mean, it's it's rugged. I'll put it that way. Yeah, it's got the black headliner, which is nice. Wish mine had a black headliner, which I can do it myself. But to be honest, I'm lazy. So yeah, one thing I do think they should have done was add the center console. I don't know how hard that would be. It's like a rubber material. It's not even like a vinyl. It's kind of like a vinyl, but it's more of a rubber kind of molded on here. It's not really a cover. I'm pretty sure that could be wrapped. That does have the leather wrapped steering wheel, which usually on a SR5 you usually get the plastic. But yeah, It's all nice. I didn't want to get all up in the customer's vehicle as it is purchased now. I typically do stock units, but this 4Runner, as soon as they show up, a lot of places they're getting sold. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick around the vehicle, show you the new 4Runner. What do you think? I mean, would you be interested in buying one? I mean, some people want the base so they can build it themselves and add what they want to it. Um, Honestly, for me, I would do a base model. I would add heated and cooled seats, which is something I can do. You need a certain type of material. You need perforated inserts here and here. Um, it's like reticulating foam on the back of the actual kit that you have to mention when you want to order it. They'll get that for you, and you can. It's a universal kit, so you can add the switches anywhere. Typically, I'll put the switches right here. If there's room on the dash, this one not really. Of course, that'd be a good spot if the switches fit there, but they do not. It's a lot of blanks, pretty bad. But you know, other than that, it's all right. Am I interested in one right now? Honestly, I'm not impressed. I thought since I've seen so many Land Cruisers, they've been out for a good while, that it would kind of make me want to see this one, and hopefully this one will be better. But I feel like it's about the same. I would really probably just jump up to the Lexus model. I know it's probably about extra 10 grand, but I think that's worth it. And I think those have full time all wheel drive. I don't remember. These are your typical four wheel. Anyway, I'm rambling now. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Let me know if you like it. I'm out of here.